glasses. So today I was like, I went to the mall and then, yeah, I bought some new clothes and that was pretty awesome. And I'm probably going to get a job at Hot Topic, which is really, really, really cool. And I don't know what to say, but that's okay because I'll make up for it later. I didn't plan this video at all. And listen to the music. Oh yeah, we're gonna listen to some music. Just 1 second. Piece of crap. When did it come? And I want it now. So, I want a Red Bull too. Red Bulls are amazing. I don't care what any of you people say. Red Bulls are so much better than ants. I'm sorry, but they are. So yeah, I'm gonna go to a basketball game, so I'll see you guys later.